Imagine living a life where your heart health isn't a constant source of worry. Yes, blood pressure concerns millions worldwide, but today, let's bring the power back to our plates. Welcome to DriveBird Network, where your health transformation begins. Are you ready to ease your mind and fortify your body? Before diving in, hit that subscribe button to catch premium health content daily. Moment of truth number 1. Let's kick off with the silent killer. High blood pressure doesn't much shout its presence. Instead, it lurks quietly, undermining your health. Now, wouldn't you want a natural arsenal against such a stealthy adversary? Food fighter number 1. Beets. These ruby red gems are more than just a pretty face. Beets are brimming with nitrates, turning into nitric oxide in your body, relaxing your blood vessels. Smoother flow, lower pressure. Food fighter number 2, oats. A morning bowl of oats is like sending a peace envoy to your cardiovascular system. The fiber in oats, known as beta-glucan, has a role in buffering your blood pressure. How about oat pancakes tomorrow? Here's a quick laugh. What did one blood vessel say to the other? Stop being so tensed all the time. Food fighter number 3, bananas. This portable snack is loaded with potassium, crucial for balancing the amount of sodium in your cells. Fewer sodium spikes, steadier blood pressure rates. Food fighter number 4, salmon. This fish is swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, essentials to decrease inflammation and lower blood pressure. Perhaps salmon for dinner? Moment of truth number 2. Are you seeing the connection? Nature's bounty is vast with solutions. Each weapon against high blood pressure is delicious. Food fighter number 5, garlic. The power of garlic goes beyond warding off vampires. It's a fierce combatant against blood pressure as well. The key component, allicin, is thought to relax blood vessels. Next time you cook, add an extra clove. Moment of truth number 3. We've covered some powerful foods, but the battle against high blood pressure includes a mindful diet overall. Food fighter number 6, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries aren't just for dessert. They pack a punch of antioxidants known as flavonoids, which are praised for their role in blood pressure regulation. Food fighter number 7, dark chocolate. Yes, fighting blood pressure can be as delightful as indulging in dark chocolate, in moderation, of course. This sweet treat contains flavonoids, aiding in blood flow improvement. Food fighter number 8, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are loaded with potassium, helping your kidneys get rid of more sodium through your urine. This, in turn, lowers your blood pressure. Recap and reflect. We've traveled through a menu that supports your heart and battles against high blood pressure. Which food will you try first? Did any of these food fighters surprise you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement is our biggest encouragement. As we wrap up, remember this isn't just about adding things to your diet. It's about making lifestyles changes that last. Start small. Stay consistent. For those looking to expand their success beyond health, don't miss our next exciting reveal. Become a millionaire by 30. Top 8 money moves. Just click on the end screen appearing shortly. Thank you for joining us today at DriveBird Network. Subscribe and wave goodbye to health ignorance, one video at a time. Stay tuned, stay inspired.